This video is going to show you how to test a lid switch on a Whirlpool Kenmore washer and safety first, so always disconnect electrical power before servicing any electrical appliance. If your Kenmore or Whirlpool washer is having problems with spinning and draining at the end of the cycle or in the middle of the cycle, it just stops, chances are it has a bad lid switch. So to test the lid switch, we have to open the console. So find where your screws are that mount the console in place. On this Whirlpool, they're on the back side of the panels. On a lot of machines, they're on the front. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew both screws. And once you get the screws removed, then pull the panel bottom towards the front of the machine and then lift it up. It's got a hinge at the top, and you'll see it hinge up and then flip over. And that way you can get to where the lid switch is located. Here's a look at what we have inside, and you see the lid switch is pretty much right in the center there. It's where the harness connector is for it. You're going to need to unclip that. Here's a close-up of it so you can see it a little bit closer. Once you remove the clip, the two outer terminals is what we're going to hook our ohm meter onto to run the test. With the lid closed, with a good one, which this is a good one on this machine because I've already changed it, hook the leads up to both those outer terminals, and obviously I'm getting tone and I'm getting good continuity because this is a good lid switch. So this test is showing you what a good test result would look like. Now when I open the lid and do the test, I've broken the connection obviously, so now there's showing no continuity, and that's the same result you would get with a bad lid switch. You would have no continuity. So anyways, here's what the good one looks like. Now if yours tested bad, then you'll need to change it out and put a new one on, and I'll do another video to show you how to do that. Here's what the bad lid switch looked like on this machine when I took it out. It's split in half, so obviously when the plunger was going down and mashing on the tab there, it wasn't completing the circuit. So bad lid switch, the machine thinks the lid's open and it won't spin and drain. So that's how you test the lid switch. And see my next video if you need to replace yours. Thank you.